Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Sceptre Monitor not turning on, power and display problem troubleshooting guide. Monitor issues often stem from faulty power adapters, loose cables, or a failed backlight inverter. A hard reset by unplugging and holding the power button can resolve these issues. Troubleshooting includes testing the wall outlet, swapping cables, and cycling inputs. Further diagnosis involves checking the status LED for color and activity. Fix 1. Verify the power connection. First, check the LED. Look at the status light. If there is no light, the monitor is not receiving electrical power. Next, inspect the brick. Ensure the external power adapter brick is firmly connected to both the wall and the monitor. Next, bypass surge protectors. Plug the power cable directly into a known working wall outlet to rule out a faulty power strip. Check the voltage. Scepter monitors frequently experience power adapter failure. Verify the output matches the required voltage, usually 12 volt, printed on the monitor's label. Next, replace the brick. If the power brick is unusually hot, making a clicking sound or showing no LED indicator, replace it with a compatible aftermarket adapter. Fix 3. Troubleshoot display cables and inputs. First, reseat video cables. Unplug and firmly reconnect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable at both the monitor and the GPU ends. Next, cycle input sources. Press the source button on the monitor to manually switch to the correct active input port. Next is to test alternative devices. Connect a different device like a console or laptop to the monitor to isolate whether the PC or the monitor is at fault. Fix 4. Reset internal components. Perform a power cycle. Drain residual capacitance, unplug all cables, then hold the power button for 60 seconds and reconnect only the power cable. Next is to check for backlight failure. Flash a flashlight closely at the screen while the monitor is powered on. If you can faintly see your desktop, the internal backlight inverter has failed. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.